Have you ever wondered why drug development and clinical trials are so vital in our world today? Well, let's start by saying that they are the backbone of modern healthcare. They play a critical role in ensuring that new drugs are safe and effective. Imagine a world where new drugs are launched without any testing. Sounds scary, right? That's where drug development and clinical trials come in. It's a rigorous process that a potential new drug must undergo before it hits the market. It begins with the discovery and development stage, where scientists explore promising avenues for new drugs. Then comes the preclinical research, where the drug is tested in labs and on animals to assess its safety. If it passes the stage, it moves to clinical trials, where the drug is tested on humans. This process is pivotal in ensuring that we have effective treatments and cures for numerous diseases and conditions. Without drug development and clinical trials, we wouldn't have the necessary treatments and cures for numerous diseases and conditions. The journey of a drug from the research lab to the pharmacy shelf is a long and complex one. It all begins with the discovery phase, where thousands of compounds may be tested and analyzed in the lab. This process can take several years. Once a promising compound is identified, it moves onto preclinical testing. Here, the drug is tested in labs and on animals to evaluate its safety and effectiveness. This phase can take anywhere from 1 to 2 years. Next, we have the clinical trials, divided into 3 phases. Phase 1 and 2 focus primarily on safety, dosage, and side effects in a small group of volunteers. These phases can last several years. Phase 3, the final phase before FDA review, involves testing the drug on a large group of people to confirm its effectiveness and monitor side effects. This is a critical phase that can last from 1 to 4 years. The journey of a drug is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires time, effort, and rigorous testing to ensure it is safe and effective for the public. So, you've made it through the initial phases of drug development. What's next? The journey towards a clinical phase 3 trial awaits. Here's where the rubber meets the road. It starts with compiling and submitting an investigational new drug application to the FDA. This application is key. It's your ticket to proceed with human trials. Next, you'll craft a trial protocol. Think of it as a blueprint for your trial, outlining the who, what, when, and how. And just like a well-constructed house, a solid protocol is essential for a successful trial. Then comes recruitment. You need participants, and lots of them. Phase 3 trials involve large groups of people. We're talking hundreds, even thousands of volunteers to confirm the effectiveness and monitor the side effects of the new drug. Applying for a phase 3 trial is a significant step in the drug development process.